What's up, guys? Today is Friday. Finally, Friday. The very best day of the week because today is Snap on Friday. Hamilton's outside. Thomas is outside. So let's go take a look, see what they got. Y'all come on.
It's an atom bomb, man.
What do you think about them?
Can't. That hurt you overthink about them.
Ooh.
Hamilton, you take this in on trade? Huh? Take that in on trade? No, I ordered some for somebody to buy one, get one. I ordered a couple extra sets of them while they was on. That's a pretty good deal.
See what we got in this box. Let's trade in.
Yep. Well, y'all had a pretty good week. Been running around pretty busy, that's for sure.
We kind of lonely there at the first of the week. Wally ended up deciding he wanted to leave early Monday. About dinner time, I felt bad for him because he was walking around sick and wasn't saying nothing. He didn't say nothing for the next couple of days either when he come back. He'll be just real short. But he's gonna be alright. I texted his wife Monday when I got home just to check on him, see how he's doing. Y'all, I can't make this up. Can't make this up. She said something about his prostate was okay. He was resting, and she said, I don't know why he come out of the doctor's office grinning from ear to ear, but he's gonna be okay.
It's gonna be okay then.
You already seen him walking.
He was walking like a duck. His legs was all wide out like this.
He was waddling.
Yep.
You enjoyed that, didn't you, Wally?
Hey, I can't make it up, dude. Look, I promise.
Oh me, Wally. What we gonna do?
The doctor said his prostate is fine, but I couldn't figure out why he was grinning from ear to ear. He's resting now, but he's going to be okay. I said, okay, I didn't want to bother him. Tell him I was checking him. I'm killing her.
I didn't know you wouldn't had a prostate exam. I just thought you was walking funny because you was raw. That's what you told me. You was raw.
You're messed up, Bill. Good God. Oh, I knew. You woke up too early this morning, Bill. Bill, that's why you got friends. That's why you got friends like Bill, man. They keep checking on you, make sure you're doing all right.
I'm worried about my buddy now.
Well, I'm gonna tell one on Bill, and Wally can be my witness. Y'all seen Bill bought this new Impact, just like this one Friday from Thomas. Thomas, I finally had to tell him he made the sale. He could quit breaching the bill about how good this deal was he gave him. So we was working Monday. I was on one side of the truck, Bill's on the other. I had my Impact. I heard Bill using an electric ratchet. I said, why don't you get your Impact, Bill? He said, I don't want to get it dirty.
Yep.
And then tell him what happened.
First time I used it was, yesterday, I guess?
Yeah.
Finally decided I want to get it dirty. Pulled the trigger, wouldn't do nothing. Hit reverse, wouldn't do nothing. Well, why ain't this thing working? I pulled it off the bolt, pulled the trigger, worked fine. Put it back on the bolt, pulled the trigger, wouldn't work.
Sound like I was allergic to that bolt.
Well, and I made a joke Friday when Thomas threw it up there on the counter. I said, you probably just broke it.
Don't sound like it was a joke. Sound like you threw it up on the counter.
That Impact took it to heart. He wasn't joking.
Yeah.
Ooh, what you got new today? Anything?
Another P1000. That's the only thing we got in this week was this one scanner. That and a new book.
Motorcycle scanner?
Or that motorcycle or cars. You can do either one of them.
New books. It says hot deals on there, Thomas. Red hot deal.
Impact, Bill.
Do what?
You got your Impact.
Red hot deal.
He said he ain't got time to wait on me to come in. He just wants to warranty that time.
All kind of
break that fast. This one's falling
All
off.
kind of angles, torque wrenches.
You got yellow, didn't you?
Yep, Thomas broke it. That's terrible, Thomas. Terrible, 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 Thomas.
Bees like that sometimes.
Can't believe you break it, man. The doggone brand new impact. And he didn't want to use it because he didn't want to get dirty. I didn't think I'd ever hear that word from Bill.
Bill used to be like Wally. All Bill's stuff had grease caked up on it. I mean, like, his screwdrivers was round from the grease.
Yep.
Wally said he didn't like the snap-on grip. He made his own grip, so he'd coat it with grease and get his own handprint in there. That's,
I rubbed off on him though, didn't I?
yeah. That's rust protection.
Bill's clean tool freak like me now. For real. Thomas, you got more of them 8mm swivel sockets? Or did you sell the last one?
Impact?
Yeah, you know,
Swap it out with another one. Break that fast.
Wally bought that one last week. Let's see if you had another one. Look at you. Ask and you shall receive, ain't it?
Given and shall be
See, look at
given.
that, it's already rusty.
Give and it shall be given. Pressed
think
down,
it's been up
shaken
there
together,
so
and running
long.
over. That's what the Bible says exactly.
Thing's been up there so long it's done rusted. Thomas, you get in them little ladies' feet in?
There's electrical work right here. Hey, we'll call this one Thomas. You know, acts real good in front of people, work like a champ, put it out there in real work, don't work at all.
Won't do nothing.
No, scared of work, allergic to it.
Exactly. What kind of bull crap is that?
I've seen one or two of them that quit straight out the box.
Well, see, that's what the other one was doing.
I believe him about Thomas, don't you?
Yeah.
And it felt like it was in the trigger.
Most of the time, that's what they say. Some trigger the salt.
Hey, what do you think about your boy last week? Couldn't even close a deal for $20.
Same story, different day.
Hey,
Paid list price for every doggone thing I buy, and then couldn't close a deal for $20.
Same story I get all the time, different day.
hey, you tell him who trained me, who told me how to sell these bad boys.
He's still in training. You know?
I'm gonna say if Joven would have been on the truck last week, I'd have left with that impact and that Blue Point set.
You might be right.
What do you think, Bill?
I think you're probably right.
Hey, I'll tell you, it's right here. I don't care.
Hey, you know how to make
You don't care.
You know how to make him do better? I am commissioned.
There you go.
Right.
But if he paid me commission on what I sell, he wouldn't be able to afford the truck. That's how much I sell.
Get deep in you.
Yep. Y'all got any hip waders?
The truth is what it is.
All right, Thomas. Check me out. Ring me up, Scotty.
I ain't sold you enough yet.
I'm done, son.
You ain't been paying attention.
Done.
Yeah, you ain't sold him enough.
I ain't sold enough.
Done, son. That's it. You know, Thomas, I ain't trying to be funny or that, but I do love you. You're a good guy.
You alright yourself.
I'm for real.
Hey, you the only redhead with a gold chain I might could trust a little bit.
You ain't right, man.
A little bit. Oh,
Do what?
Look, he trying to take credit for everything. The other day, these jump boxes come in, and I said, hey, I'm gonna put some of these on the truck. So I grabbed two of them. I put one in here because somebody ordered it. I put another one up here. He goes in the shop this morning. He opens the third one, sits it down and forgets it. Walks onto the truck. Hey, what did I do with that other jump box? And he tried to take credit for this one, saying that he put it on here when he realized that he done forgot that other one.
Let me explain something
Hey.
first. Though.
Done forgot, short-term memory loss what he got.
Thomas, what day do you put them jump boxes on here?
What day?
Yeah.
It'd been last Thursday. Right.
8 days today. I ain't said nothing to nobody about jump boxes. Let Thomas handle it. You know, he put them on here. We let him set them. come on here today and finally make both of them. They go.
No, I had the one that he moved. It was ordered. I put it up for somebody. He taking credit.
You ordered all of them, didn't
I
you?
ordered all of them.
Got dementia. That's what he's got.
Now, the reason why I got this, guys, y'all know I had a GB70 to start with, and then I wanted the bigger one for big trucks, so I got the GB150.
150.
And I'll carry it with me every day, so I'll take it out of one truck, put it in another truck, blah, blah, blah. Wally ended up with the GB70. Well, the other day, I forgot it and needed one, so now I'm going to have one in both service trucks, so that's what that's for. All right, guys, we're going to get the AEV set. It goes from a 10 to a 27, half-inch drive, and then, what'd you do with my swivel socket, Thomas? Did you hang it back up?
Oh, no. Right there. Joe, did you hang it?
I'll be darned.
I ain't know him.
We done lost it. There it is.
Tell him you about to make like a newborn baby and head out.
That's right. So there's what we got today. All right, guys, like always, thanks for watching the video. If you like this video today, be sure to hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button.
That way you don't have bad prostate.
Totally free.
That what?
Totally free.
Totally free. What do you think, Bill?
$3,000 what's gonna cost you.
It costs them a dime, is it?
That's right.
All right, guys, y'all have a great weekend. Catch you next time. You gotta quit eating Mexican. You alright?
Prostate doing better.
That's why I got an air, Captain. From about here to that bolt right there, roughly. It started popping.
They were laid
everything.
on the thing, and I grabbed the broom. He lit it, but I grabbed the broom and said, "Yeet!"
I was wondering what you hit it with.
What
I
happened?
seen you light it. I was like, son of a bitch. And then they slid on a motherfucker.
What happened, Wally?
Oh, they have too much fun.
Yeah, explosive diarrhea.
Exploding something.
You get bottle rocketed?
Something like that. Celebrating 4th of July a little early.
Look at the smoker.
Smoke coming out of the bathroom.
Hey, blew up fast in that place.